Here is an Energizer flashlight lantern thing. LED technology. Ooh, LED. Advertised as technology, as if it's like some kind of revolutionary computer breakthrough, but yet we've had LEDs for how many decades now? I thought this was kind of interesting because it has the like a directional flashing light kind of conventional thing, but it can also be used as a lantern. It takes, looks like it takes AA batteries. I know this is absolutely horrific, but I'm going to use these garbage testing batteries in here. Just super briefly, I will take them out within 3 minutes from now, because otherwise they'll probably leak. But we'll use them just to get through the video here. I'll put these pieces of trash in here correctly, observing the correct polarity, so that we reduce the risk of fire. That's what it looks like inside. There appears to be a little arrow there. I'm not sure to what it's pointing. Okay. It's got a little seal there, kind of a gasket, so this may be to some extent waterproof. Stops very nicely. Okay, so there's the flashlight part. Turn the lights on so you can see how bright it is. Actually, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Shines pretty bright even all the way across the room. Not bad. Okay, cool. Now let's see. So that should be, now we have the lantern. The flashlight was 2 LEDs. This looks like 3 LEDs. There's the LED technology logo. The brightness of this is less impressive. It's perfectly reasonable for a lantern of this size, but it's not really impressive. It's doing enough to be able to, like, you know, if you were going along in here, this would be enough that I could see what's on the floor, but it's really not that bright. You couldn't really do any tasks by this. You can walk across the yard with it, but that's about it. The flashlight aspect is certainly much more powerful. Oh, it's also got like a little amber thing to it. That's kind of cool. Actually, I could see using that quite a bit outside at night when I'm at the table using a computer or something. That's kind of useful for that. Yeah, the flashlight is really quite good though. It's a pretty bright flashlight. Alright, put the lights back on. That's pretty cool. Is this supposed to hook into there? Cool. Okay. That's not a bad design at all. I kind of like that. At least it's not stupid doors, so. Let's get these terrible batteries out of this pretty good flashlight. Junk. 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 I guess it's made so that you pull the batteries out from the bottom regardless of the polarity, which is kind of a nice design. Okay, so there's the little Energizer flashlight lantern thing. Pretty cool.